And welcome back. Well, earlier in the show, we heard from CommonGround volunteer Leslie Boswell on the importance of crop dusters.
You can see that Zoom interview a little later this morning on the Pure Nebraska Facebook page. And now Leslie is back with a recipe that is incredibly easy and tastes oh so good.
Well, everybody loves an easy recipe, and it's always good when it's tasty as well. Joining me now with more is Leslie Boswell, CommonGround volunteer. And Leslie, you have a recipe for us.
I do, and this is probably the simplest one that I have done yet. This would be a perfect after-school snack. The kids can put them together. They can help do it. It takes about 20 minutes for everything, start to finish, and they're really tasty. So this would be a good one for that. And what I do is I take cinnamon rolls, regular store-bought cinnamon rolls. You can get out a little rolling pin and you can smash them down, or you can just put them in your hands and flatten them out. I spray down a muffin pan here. You put that in there, and this becomes the crust for your apple pie. You get them all set in there, and then you take some apple pie filling. Now this I went through and I cut some of the pieces in half so they're not quite as big. They fit in the cups a little bit better. You put some apple pie filling in here and you bake these at 375 for about 15 minutes. You can go a little bit longer if you need to, but in this nonstick pan, they bake really quickly. They get a little brown around the outside edge and you don't want them overdone. So I'd say 15 is plenty. Those are ready to go into the oven. And when they come out, you've got these little cups. Mini apple pies. Now, what you can do is you can take the frosting that came with the cinnamon rolls. You can drizzle a little bit of that on there, and they are ready to eat. I like them warm. My husband likes them cold. So that is just a matter of taste, whichever way you want to do it. But then you've got little mini apple pies.
Thank you, Leslie, for telling us about that.
You're welcome, John. Glad to have you here today.